2 4n, right? 4n. How to solve this question? So it is 49 and it is 343. You must have tried to convert all these things into lowest term. So how to convert it? 7 cube 2n, 7 square 4n. So 7 raised to power 6n into 7 raised to power 8n. Now how is 6n, you know? Look this formula. First formula. Generally a raised to power m, 4 raised to power n will be a raised to power m into n. So now here base same, power in multiplication sign power will be added. So 7 raised to power 14 n. This is the answer. So that is all. See, these are the formula, and whatever the question is given, whatever, you first have to convert into prime factors. Means you cannot solve more or more factors afterwards. So then you will get, automatically you will get the process. So don't look at the question or a bapra is a low so lengthy question how to solve. Simply, if integers are there, simply try to simplify in the prime terms. If algebraic terms are given, so try to make any one of them form, then you will get it. Look, I am just going to solve some questions from the exercise. I am not going to explain all the basics because you know already in 8th standard exponents, that is the same meaning. Indices means exponents, same topic. That we have done already in the 8th standard. So I am solving question number 2. Look at the question number 2 first part. 36 a raised to power 8 into power minus 1 by 2 into 125 a raised to power 15. This is 1 upon 3, right? So see, look at here. So now here it's a 36. So you can write 2 square into 3 square because 2 to the 4 and 3 to the 9. A raised to power 8 whole raised to power 1 minus 1 by 2. Here 5 cube a raised to power 15 whole raised to power 1 by 3. Now can you apply this formula here? Can I separate this one separately? So like this one, sorry, this formula. So 2 raised to power 2 into minus 1 by 2, 3 raised to power 2 into minus 1 by 2, into a raised to power 8 into minus 1 by 2, into 5 raised to power 3 into 1 by 3, into a raised to power 15 into 1 by 3. Look, what I did, I made it lengthy, but the smallest term. So cancel, 2 4 ja, 3 3, 3 5 ja. So 2 raised to power minus 1 into 3 raised to power minus 1, a raised to power minus 4, 5 into a raised to power 5. Now here see, is there any base same? Is there any base same? Which one? This one? Same base? So now minus sign, apply this form. So 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 3 minus 4. Now into. So which formula? This one. Into 5. So 5 upon 6 minus 4 plus 5 how much? 1. So answer will be 5 by 6a. And this is your answer. Clear? Now again. So same method you have to apply for second part. Okay, same method. Third part, look at the third part. How to solve question number third part. (81) a raised to power 8 minus 3 by 4 into 8 a raised to power 15 2 by 3. This is the question. So how to solve? So 81 means 3 raised to power 4 a raised to power 8 minus 3 by 4 2 cube a raised to power 15 2 by 3. So 3 raised to power 4 into minus 3 by 4 into a raised to power 8 into minus 3 by 4 into 2 raised to power 3 into 2 by 3 a raised to power 15 into 2 by 3. Cancel 4 to the 8, 3 3 cancel, 3 5. So 3 raised to power minus 3 into a raised to power minus 3, 2 raised to power 2 into a raised to power 5. Look, is there any common base? Yeah, there is a common base. And here 1 upon 3 cube into 2 square into a 5 minus 3. So 4 upon 27 a raised to power 2 is your answer. I hope you are getting how to simplify. Right. One more question. I am going to solve it from this exercise. This question number 2, fourth part. Once again, convert all these numbers into simplest form. Look now, nothing. There is no special characters. Yeah, special characters are these formulas. Rather than these formulae, you must have to convert all these terms into prime numbers, simple factors, and then simplify. That's it. Try to make the common base. If common base is not there, then look how we have done. So there is no other rocket science to simplify the indices. Now, if roots are there, look question number question number 7 of this exercise. Question number 2, 7 part. A raised to power minus 1 by 4 into a raised to power 7 by 8. See, this dot means into. Don't think it is a decimal. 6 root a by cube. So how to simplify such question? Yes, Mr. Krishna, can you tell me please?
Multiplied by 6 raised to 8 3.
Chappal khayenge. Minus into sign is here. So plus base will be
Same.
base is same, the power will be added. And here a raised to power 3. See, nth root of a means a raised to power 1 by n. So it will be what? 1 by 6. So 3 2 ja. Now, at numerator 8 LCM 4 2 ja minus 2 plus 7 upon a raised to power 1 by 2. So on solving it, 5 by 8 minus 1 by 2. So a 8 is LCM 5, 2 4 ja. So a 1 by 8 is your answer. Now look about the question number 8. Blood ho raha hai. Look at question number 8. Sub parts. 3 raised to power 2n minus 1 into 9 1 minus n. So 3 raised to power 2n minus 1 into 3 square 1 minus n. So it will be 3 raised to power 2n minus 1 2 minus 2n. I hope you understood here why I did here like okay, one more step I am doing here. 3 2 into 1 minus n. So it will be 3 raised to power 2n minus 1 into 3 raised to power 2, 2 under 2 and 2n. So now base is same, power you have to add 2n minus 1 plus 2 minus 2n. So your answer is minus 1 plus 2 is 1, that is 3 is your answer. So these are the questions you have to simplify like this. Right? Now, it was your second question. Right? So all the questions you have to try like this. Now question number 3. Now find the value. Question number 3 is find the value. So look here, first question, okay, first I am just going to simplify easy question. 8 raised to power 2 by 3 plus cube root of 27 cube, sorry, it's a square, minus 32 raised to power minus 3 upon 5. Right? So it is 2 cube 2 by 3 plus 27 square 1 by 3 minus 2 raised to power 5 into minus 3 by 5. So 3 into 2 by 3 cancel plus 3 cube into 2 whole 1 by 3 minus 2 raised to power 5 into minus 3 upon 5 cancel. So 2 raised to power 2, that is 2 raised to power 2 means 4. 3 2 is 6, 3 into 2 into 1 by 3. Only apply the formula. Directly cancel. 2 raised to power minus 3. So 4 plus 3 square 9 minus 1 by 2 cube. Don't write here 2 raised to power 3 is minus 8. No, it's wrong. So it first converted this like. So 13 minus 1 by 8. Now you can simplify by taking LCM. 8, 13 is the 104 minus 1. Your answer will be 103 by 8. Answer. Clear? So it is simple questions. Like the second part of this question. Again I am going to solve few questions. Then rest you have to try. Okay? So second question. Under root 9 by 16 plus 0.008 raised to power minus 2 by 3 minus 7 by 10 raised to power 0. So 9 by 16 means how much? It is 3 by 4. Now decimal is there. So I can write it here. 0.008 is there. So can I write 0.2 cube minus 2 by 3? Or if you are having doubt, see, don't upset about it. If you are not getting directly, so you can do one thing. Instead of that, you can write here 0.008 point cancel 1000. Like this also you can do. So okay, we have to do like this only. It will be easier for you. So 8 by 1000 raised to power minus 2 by 3. And any number having power 0 is 1. Look here. So 3 by 4 minus 1. Now minus sign reciprocal 10 cube upon 2 cube raised to power 2 by 3. See, reciprocal means only these terms will be reciprocal. Power will not be reciprocal. Okay. So 4 is the LCM. 3 minus 4. Here. Now 10 by C. A raised to power m upon A raised to power n. B raised to power n. You can write A upon B whole raised to power n. So 10 by 2 cube into 2 by 3. Cancel. So it will be minus 1 by 4 plus 2 5 are 10. 5 square how much? 25. LCM 4 minus 1 plus 100. So it will be 99 by 4. And your final answer will be 24 6 are 19. 24 4 are 96. 3 by 4 is your answer. Clear? So like this, the entire third question you can try. Whenever you get the doubts, you can ask me. Look at the fourth question. Under root 50 plus under root 42 raised to power 1 by 3 under root 50 minus under root 42 raised to power 1 by 3. Okay. So now you can see here one more thing. Look, power is same here, but base is different. So can I write like this? Root 50 plus root 42 bracket close root 50 minus root 42 whole raised to power 1 by 3. Can I write? How? Look here. This formula. A raised to power m into b raised to power m. So a into b whole raised to power m. Now come to the property of algebraic expression. What was that property? Look here. A plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. So what it is? A square minus b square. Right? Whole power is 1 by 3. So it will be 50 minus 42 raised to power 1 by 3. So it is 8 raised to power 1 by 3. So 2 cube into 1 by 3. 3 cancel. 2 is your answer. Clear? So these are the questions. So it was fourth question. In the fourth question, there is a formula. So how do you have applied? It is very important thing. That's it. So second part of this question, as usual, only the power is changed. You have to proceed like this only. Clear? Only do one thing. Look, root 3 plus root 52 is given. So you have to exchange it. Root 52 plus root 3. Then you will get it easily. That is a plus b into a minus b. Look at the third part of this question. Third part. Look at here. The question was 4th root 81 a raised to power 12 b raised to power minus 16. So nothing special things you have to apply. First, do whole raised to power 1 by 4. Now 3 raised to power 4 into a raised to power 12 into b raised to power minus 16 whole raised to power 1 by 4. So 3 raised to power 4 into 1 by 4, a raised to power 12 into 1 by 4 into b raised to power minus 16 into 1 by 4. 4 cancel, 4 3 ja, 4 4 ja. So your answer will be 3, a raised to power 3, b raised to power minus 4. So if you want to write in positive form, then it is b raised to power 4 like this. You can see I didn't do anything, only I did a step by step and we got the final answer. Look at the third part of fifth question. Third part of fifth question. Once again, see the question was this one, nth root. So nth root of, remember always, nth root of a is always a raised to power 1 by n. And then convert it to the prime forms, prime, and then simplify it. Right? So look at the third part. Cube root of 343 a raised to power 6 into b raised to power minus 9 whole upon 4th root 16b4. Right? So 343 means what? 7 cube a6 b minus 9.
पापा
हाँ
कॉल आ रहा है
किसका है?
नंबर है सिर्फ
Okay, now 7 cube into 1 by 3 a raised to power 6 into 1 by 3 b raised to power minus 9 into 1 by 3 whole upon 16 raised to power 1 by 4 into b raised to power 4 into 1 by 4. Now how to simplify? I will start this question. Hit third part, cube root of this question is here. So 7 cube a raised to power 6 b raised to power minus 9 power 1 by 3 16 b power 4 into raised to power 1 by 4. On simplification you get 7 into a square into b minus 3 cancel. Now here 2 raised to power 4 into 1 by 4 b cancel. So it is 7 a square b raised to power minus 3 upon 2 raised to 2 b. So your answer will be 7 a square. Acha 2b 1 minus 3 will come down to plus 3. So 7 by 2 7 a square upon 2b4 is your answer. So these are the questions. Now on the behalf of that you can try and then you will. Okay, one more fourth part, little bit different question is there. Fourth question. 3x minus 2 raised to power 3 into x raised to power 9 raised to power 2 by 3. So how to solve? 3 square, 3 cube minus 2 into 3, 9 into 2 by 3. 3 3 is 9. So 3 cube 27 x raised to power minus 6 into x raised to power 6. So 27 x raised to power minus 6 plus 6. So 27 x raised to power 0 is 27. Your answer. So these questions are very easy. So please try to solve.